Hello, today's 2 college planning tips in 2 minutes will cover student loan debt. Student loan debt is at an all-time high of over $1.3 trillion, the biggest source of consumer debt behind mortgages. But many student loans are about to get more affordable. Regulators are rolling out a program to help borrowers who may be struggling and need help figuring out options that are more affordable or even able to forgive parts of the student debt. Today's 2 college planning tips in 2 minutes is here to guide you through these changes. So tip number 1, what we know. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau today launched a first-of-its-kind payback playbook to help borrowers with federal direct loans who are having trouble keeping up with the payments, or who don't know what options are available, or even those who don't know how to choose from the dozen of repayment plans. The payback playbook is aimed at making sure students' loan servicers give borrowers information specific to their circumstances. For now, the payback playbook is still a work in progress. Consumers are encouraged to provide feedback on the proposed disclosures through June 12th. So tip number 2, what's to come? The risks of the mountain of debt of the shoulders of 43 million Americans isn't just about whether they default or not. Even if people can keep up with their payments, student loans are keeping many from buying homes, buying new cars, and even starting families. This is really hurting the economy. And when the parents and grandparents co-sign for loans, they're putting their own retirement at risk. So the payback playbook is expected to include, number 1, a requirement that servicers give borrowers specific information about what their payments would be under different repayment plans. The information would include the number of payments over the life of the loan, the monthly payment amounts, and whether payments can change over time. There also will be a ban on fine print. This is a big one. The language for each repayment option must be clear and straightforward and easy to understand, very consumer friendly. And number 3, real time and up to date. The playbook would provide borrowers with new information if their plans or circumstances change. The information would include how much longer payments will last until the loan is paid off or forgiven. So the bottom line is, the payback playbook is supposed to help families with student loans and make it easier and more transparent.